When most people first open the Linux terminal, something primal kicks in. The screen goes dark, there are no buttons, no icons, just a blinking cursor staring back like it knows something you do not. That moment is where the fear starts, not because the terminal is dangerous, but because it feels unfamiliar. Humans are excellent at clicking things they recognize and deeply uncomfortable with blank spaces that demand precision. I remember my first time opening a terminal. It felt like walking into a cockpit with no labels. I was convinced one wrong move would erase my system, my files, maybe my entire existence. That fear is common, and it is understandable. But here is the quiet truth. The Linux terminal is not a weapon, it is a conversation. The blinking cursor is not waiting for you to fail, it is waiting for you to be clear. The myth that the terminal is only for hackers or elite users has done real damage. It has convinced people that power must be hidden behind danger. In reality, Linux is explicit by design. It does exactly what you ask, no more and no less. Fear comes from guessing. Confidence comes from understanding. Most people avoid the command line because it looks like memorization. They imagine thousands of commands, strange symbols, and endless syntax rules. But that image is wrong. You do not learn the terminal by memorizing everything. You learn it by learning a few useful sentences and reusing them when needed. Graphical interfaces feel safer because they limit your options, they guide you, they hide complexity behind buttons. But that safety is an illusion. GUIs often obscure what's really happening. They make simple actions slow and complex actions impossible. They decide what you are allowed to do. The terminal does the opposite. It gives you direct access. It gives you honesty. Let's start with something simple and powerful, updating your system. In a graphical tool, you open a window, wait for it to load, click refresh, scroll through a list, and hope nothing breaks. In the terminal, you type one clear request. You are not casting a spell, you are stating intent. You're saying, update the system. Linux responds, understood. That relationship matters. Installing software is another place where fear dissolves quickly. Instead of searching websites, worrying about fake download buttons or broken installers, you ask the system directly for what you want. You are not hunting for software, you are requesting it from a trusted source. That alone removes an entire category of anxiety. Then comes troubleshooting, where the terminal truly shines. When something feels slow, misbehaves, or stops responding, graphical tools often shrug. The terminal answers. You can ask which processes are running, you can ask how much disk space remains, you can see what the system sees. This is not advanced knowledge, this is visibility. The terminal does not require you to be brave, it rewards you for being precise. Once that realization lands, something interesting happens. Speed appears. You stop moving your hand between mouse and keyboard. You stop navigating menus. You stop waiting. You think, you type, it happens. Then automation enters quietly. You realize that tasks you repeat can be written once and reused forever. Not complex scripts, simple instructions saved for later. That is when the terminal stops being a tool and starts becoming leverage. File navigation becomes another turning point. Instead of clicking through nested folders, you move directly where you want to go. Paths become maps. Your system feels smaller, more knowable. And then there is remote access. Servers without screens, virtual machines, cloud systems. Entire modern infrastructures exist almost entirely through terminals. Not because designers hate users, but because text scales better than Windows. This is why the terminal is not fading away. It is becoming more relevant. Cloud platforms rely on it. Containers rely on it. Automation relies on it. Artificial intelligence pipelines rely on it. A basic understanding of the terminal is no longer a niche skill. It is literacy. This does not mean everyone must become an expert. It means fear is optional. The terminal does not punish curiosity. It protects you with confirmation prompts, permissions, and warnings. The truly dangerous commands are not hidden and they do not run accidentally. Respect replaces fear once you understand that. If there is one mindset shift to take away from this, it is this. The terminal is not where Linux becomes hostile, it is where Linux becomes honest. Every command is traceable, every action is visible, nothing happens behind your back. That blinking cursor is not a threat, it is an invitation. An invitation to stop guessing, to stop clicking blindly, to speak clearly to your system and be heard. Linux does not demand courage, it rewards clarity. And once you realize that, the terminal stops being something you avoid, it becomes something you reach for. Not because you have to, because it works. And that is where real confidence begins.